Yo, what is good, you boys? It's your boy Ken, back at it again with another banger on this beautiful sunny day. It's like 35 degrees outside, and you can see this is the haul that was in the last video that I didn't open. That was a couple of days ago, but now finally have some time to open it. I've cleaned my room since then, and this is a 10 kg banger from ACBUY, the new all China buy, of course. Links will be in my description. Make sure to sign up. You'll get $300 in coupons. But yeah, this shipping on this cost me about $200, I believe. This is 10 kg, so it is a pretty big package. So without any further ado, let's unbox this beast of a haul. Alrighty, boys. I feel like this one isn't taped as much. I completely fucking missed, by the way. Okay, I think this one has some shoes in it. Not really sure. I know I got a bunch of bullshit in here, so let me drop all the items out and let's get to unboxing. Alright, boys, first item we got here in this banger summer haul. By the way, this is a summer haul. Every single item in here is gonna be for the summer fucking heat. It's 35 degrees right now. I'm dying. Apparently this is like normal. It's like 86 degrees. So for some people out in the States, this is like, this ain't shit. But for me, bro, I'm about to pass out. This is from a Chinese brand called FLLM, but this is a very light material. You can see like it's almost see-through. It's like a linen material. You can wear this buttoned up, you can wear this unbuttoned, however you like it. And honestly, this is a really cool looking shirt. It comes with these, like, I don't even know what this is for. Oh, it's for like making it look slimmer. Yeah, I mean, cool piece, really nice material, very, very thin, just how you want it for summer. All right, next item we got here, and I swear I'm not retarded. Yes, this is supposed to be a summer haul. This is a pair of Ralph Lauren sweats. Or no, this is a pair of Akimbo sweats to match my camel ones. If you know that video, I fucking love these so much, so I got another pair. These are like the softest thing. This is like rabbit bunny soft, bro. Fuck. I absolutely love these. So I got another pair. They're a bit on the pricey side. I think these are 30 bucks. And yeah, I know 30 bucks for a pair of sweats to a retail buyer might be a lot of money, but for reps, dude, 30 bucks is quite a bit of money. You can get like 7 Knock to Tech fleeces for these, just saying. But the quality on these for the fall, for the winter, absolutely banging. So I got one while they are in stock, because I'm pretty sure the camel one is out of stock now. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, absolutely love these. Had to get another. All right, this next item we got here is a t-shirt from some random Chinese brand. It says I'm fine, and there's a gunshot wound right over there. I found this on the fucking depths of Taobao, bro. Like, the shit I be finding on Taobao, just let me know if you guys want this. I'll put this up on the website though. Obviously, links are in the bio. But yeah, overall, man, the color is not what I expected. It's a little darker than what I'd like, but fuck it, you get what you get. This thing was like 4 bucks. All right, next up, we have a very interesting item. This is from a Chinese brand called Madwitch, and I shit you not, this was probably like 40 layers of wrapping. This is 2 right here, and I just threw out like 4 of them. And then you got this keychain that's still tucked away in its own little shell. And this connects like that. I'm gonna just wait. It's supposed to be like this, but the other way around. And then you can clip this side onto your bag or whatever. And it's like a little CD. It says Madwitch on it. And let me actually try open this up. Let's see if this opens up. Oh, it does. Look at that. And there's a real CD in here. And it's not scratched. So I don't know how to play this. I'm not that old. If there's any uncles in the chat, please let me know. I will give it my best shot to try see what the fuck is on here. If you want updates, make sure to join my Discord. Yeah, peace. If you've been on this channel for a while, you know Mr. Bling. That guy makes some pretty good jewelry, and I bought some pieces from him. This is the first. I actually bought one of my. I bought my chain from him. Look at it doesn't fit on this finger. Look at that. Look at that ring, bro. Wait, it's not coming off. Who the fuck is this meant for? It's meant for like a 3-year-old finger, bro. But these diamonds hit. These are lab-made diamonds. Not sure exactly what they're called, but I think it's a pinky ring. Look at that. And to match with this, I got another ring. Hold on, let me get that. Okay, so this is the second ring that I got. It's already out of the packaging, but look at that. Hello Kitty ring. All of these stones. These don't hit as much as this. This thing is absolutely shining. But this, also pretty nice ring. Hold up, let me put it on. There we go. Bam. Imagine getting knocked out and the motherfucker's just wearing one of these. Let's be Hello Kitty ring. We look so cool, but people wear us. People put their finger in us. Alright, here we have another very summery linen button up. Look at that. This is a very slim fit, kinda, I believe it's a little cropped. So you're gonna look like you're a Rick Owens wearer or something. But material wise, it is a bit polyester-y. I don't like that, but yeah, it looks cool. I got these bracelets. I got 2 of them. And I didn't expect them to be this small. Like, who are these? What's the target audience here? Let's try to put this on. I like how the diamonds are on the side. I mean, well, obviously, but you know what I mean. Look at that. Yo, wait, these actually fit. That's probably because I got a small ass wrist. If you have a wrist bigger than like whatever this is, like do the math on that. Like whatever this is a 17 centimeter. Probably get something bigger. I got 2 of them here. This part's gonna be sped up, and if someone slows this part down, they're gonna hear me talking about how the video's sped up, and they're gonna waste so much time. Okay, both of them are on. Damn, that looks kind of fire. I can't even lie. I'm gonna wear these for the rest of the video. In terms of like clasp strength and stuff like that, it is a pretty good quality clasp from what I felt so far. But yeah, there's not much to say, because the thing is with these types of pieces, you really find out over time, because the first day it's obviously going to look really nice, but over time you're going to see if the diamonds get dimmer, like, you know, you need to polish them again or something, or, you know, if it makes your wrist green, or any of the other things like the clasp breaking. Because I had a chain from Mr. Bling, and you know what, I like Mr. Bling a lot, like he has great pieces, but I know this is some dumbass shit, but I spun the chain on my finger once like that and it snapped in half. So like obviously you can't really tell until you've really used it, but right now it does look really nice, and especially for the price. I think these are $3 a piece. This is a fucking banger. All right, next up we got, I know everyone's seen these QCs before. These are the noEmosen stacked jeans, or the curved denim. Bro, holding these up like, what the fuck am I what is this? How do you wear this? Let's actually take a step back and admire the details here, dude. Back to the 2000s on the tag. Got these buttons with, what's it say on them? Final destination etched in. It is spelled wrong, but no aura loss for them, because these pants are straight aura. Got a coin pocket, got normal pockets, got pockets on the, oh, look at that. Got a very cool tag. Don't know what this means or what any of this says, but nonetheless very cool. Got this inside tag with another very cool print. Kind of reminds me of Rick Owens dark shadow tag. But yeah, man, let me just try to lay this out on the table, get a lay of the land, see what we're working with. That is the curve in these jeans. Like, bro, this, what the fuck? Speaking of Asian girls, this is the next t-shirt that I bought. Ni Hao, bro, when I tell you I'm on the depths of Taobao looking for God knows what, this is what I mean. Ni Hao Fine Shyt. Make sure to comment, write like a funny story, and then write hashtag Asian girl in the comment section. Best story wins. I'm gonna give something away to you guys. All right, next up we got this pair of pants from a Japanese Chinese brand. So what I mean by that, it's a Chinese brand that mimics the Japanese like clothing aesthetic. You can see right over here, got a bunch of prints on here, starting with this one right here. Got these stars right over here. Got these cool tassels over here for the drawstrings. Like, very, very interesting. And yeah, for the material, it's very thin. Like, these are summery summer clothes. And when I bought these, I didn't know this, but this is actually a woman's brand. That's why the waist seems kind of small. I don't even know if this is the right size. I'm not gonna lie, I ordered a medium, but I don't think this is gonna fit me. You can see here, more prints, very, very wide. But yeah, overall, I would not rate the material very highly. I know it's supposed to be thin, flowy, summery, but still, I don't know, maybe it will grow on me. I'll give this like a 7 out of 10 on material. It's a little rough on the outside. Inside, same kind of story, so yeah. I'll wait till the try on to give a full review. All right, next up, we got another pair of pants. This is also from a women's brand, but these are elastic. Thank God, because I didn't know that, and I did order a medium again, bro. I'm telling you, I'm the Taobao demon. I see some cool shit and I order it. These are like, again, super wide, super baggy. You probably couldn't even tell they were a woman's item before I told you, but These are probably gonna have to be given away to my sister because I don't think I can fit in this like fucking size 28 waist or whatever the fuck this is. But overall, very cool item. I love the print on this. Again, this is like an old person print, just like the Vuja Day I got last episode. But you know what? I like it. I fuck with it. It's very cool, very different. This is the bag that the last pair of pants came in, and look at this. You remember when you had those magazine bags back in elementary school? I was like, bro, someone needs to remember what this is. I know somebody out there knows what this is. Like this shit right here, bro. This unlocked a core memory I didn't even know I had. Alright, so this came with the noEmosen pants, the super curved denim, and this is a car freshener. Back to the 2000s, noEmosen. And yeah, it's like an MP3 player on one side, and it smells pretty fucking good. It does smell like some fucking like Old Spice or Axe flavor, but you know, it does smell pretty good. Okay, now we got two items that look very, very similar. Not gonna lie, these look the exact same to me. Let me remember what I ordered. All right, so here we got the first one. This is, oh, upside down. That's what it is. This is a like button up, like you wear a shirt under this and then you can wear this on top, and it's kind of cool. This one is the same thing, I believe, but it has a design in it. Yeah, it has a design on it, and this is like low-key a little better material. The weave is also a little thicker, you can see. But yeah, overall, it's almost the same thing, funnily enough. Just different brands. This one has a tag on it. Obviously, I'm gonna cut that off. I hate brand tags. Taking a look at the back, nothing on here. Take a look at the other one. Also, nothing on here. But this one is way, way lighter. You can feel there's a huge quality difference. I'd probably recommend this one, I'm not gonna lie. But of course it does have a design on it. If you don't like that, go with this one. It's not too big of a difference, but you can kind of feel it's a couple, maybe like 200 grams, 100 grams at most. So yeah, cool items, very summery. All right, this pair of pants is from the same brand as the other, like the red pants. See, that's cool print over here. Let's see if the waist size is a little bigger. Yeah, it is a little bigger, so I think this might actually fit me, but I honestly didn't like these ones as much as the red ones, but shit, you get what you get, and you know, when life gives you lemons, make fleshlight. All right, next up we got a pair of pants that they probably summoned the Illuminati to make, because I don't know what's going on here. Okay, I'm kind of starting to see this pair of keys. There's a fuckload of distressing on here, and by the way, do you see how wide these are? This is my arm. Oh, my big ass fucking arm makes it look small, but you get the point. Taking a look at the back, see-through, you can see the change in the pocket, and a lot of distressing. If you wear pants this distressed IRL, get some help. You're better off wearing shorts. It's the same shit. Yeah, dude, I don't know what to say about these pants. They're very, very interesting. This video is probably getting boring. Taking a look at the buttons here, got a bunch of their logo. I don't know what the fuck their logo is, but got a bunch of their logo in here. It says D. Dick. Gay ass pair of pants. Oh dude, look at this. It came with this. This is made out of like rubber. This is pretty, look at the thickness on that. All right, next up we got this pair of pants, which is very Vuja Day-esque. It's from a brand called Madwitch. And this is, wait, what's this say? I don't know. But yeah, these are cotton, or they're like linen. And I really like the material on these, but actually, I take that back. It's kind of polyester, and you know me, I don't fuck with polyester. But here's the cool thing about these pants. So, over here, they look like this. They got the dress pants thingy, but they come with a built-in belt. You can put this belt in and just leave it there, which is pretty damn cool. So, yeah, I'd rate these like a 7 out of 10. The material was more cottony or like linen-y. This would be a 10 out of 10, but this is already really good. I just like the cut, very Vuja Day inspired. Cause you know me, I'm kind of getting tired of all the fashion, like the streetwear, like anything you see in the fashion rep subreddit, I probably already own it. So like, I'm not even saying that in like a bragging type of way. I'm just saying like, it gets to a point where you're like, damn, like what am I even buying this shit for? So yeah, I'm trying to look, if you guys have some recommendations for some cool stuff, let me know down in the comments. Alright boys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. This is all 10 kg on my desk, including these cool ass fucking bracelets. Oh, check that, check that. This ring actually hits. The diamonds hit, the little stones over here don't really hit, but it is what it is. Anyways, you can see, got all the items over here, and man, I'd give this haul a 10 out of 10, just like yesterday's haul. That haul was a fucking banger. This haul, banger. And of course, you boys already know where to get all this stuff. Make sure, check out the links in the description. You get a bunch of coupons if you sign up with my sign up link. And then You can check out my spreadsheet where I got all these finds and more. New website coming soon. A lot of people have been asking me, where's the new spreadsheet website? It's coming soon, just fucking wait. I'm cooking something super special for you guys. You already know, like, it's been a long time in the making. So I'm gonna do it right and I'm gonna do it soon. So just wait on it, boys. And as always, you already know I appreciate every single one of you guys that watches this video, especially all the way to the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you boys next time. Peace.